happy first day of the course. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an orientation as to how you're going to deal with the content in the course. That's where you're going to learn stuff, and it's important that you go through the course content to make sure that you're mentioning stuff like that in your assignments. So here we are on the first page, and to get started we go to course content and we go to content. From here we can see, I can see more than you, but we can see the course, we can see Unit 1, and what you're going to do is you're just going to go to Unit 1 Overview. You've got some nice little things here, and then it's going to overview the activity. So fashion as a social process is the kind of theme of this first activity. We've got the expectations of what you're going to learn, and then we have the content. Why I wanted to do this video was because of this factor. So this is called Edpuzzle, and what I've done is I've taken the content below and I've tried to make it more accessible in the form of a video. So when you, I'm just going to log out here because I want to see what it's going to do from another user. So when you click, you can log in with Google. All of you should have a Google account, and you're going to join the class. And you only need to do this once, and then every time you come into the course, you will be able to see what you need to see. When you start to watch the video, I'll just click on it. You can make it full screen. And you can see here that there are little green questions.
All right. So this is the first video for Unit 1.
So you're going to watch the video. This usually takes between like 10 and 20 minutes. So think about that as like the time that you would be listening to your teacher talk about Macbeth, or the time that you would be listening to instructions on how to do something. And this is going to go through all of the content. So hopefully it will help you understand it a little bit more, and I'll be able to see the answers that you come up with these little green boxes. Now you can't skip ahead, and you have to fill out the answers in the boxes. So that's kind of non-negotiable, but I'll also be able to use this for your mark. If, let's say, you don't do well on an assignment, I could use your answers from here if you did really well. So that's how to use Edpuzzle. You'll need to sign up for that like I just did. It takes about 4 seconds, and you'll never log out, so you'll always be able to look at those videos. And if you ever need to refer back to the information, rather than trying to find it in the video, the content pretty much narrated of what I've talked about is below. So if you listen to the video, you probably don't need to read the content. But listening to the video is non-negotiable. Reading the content is if you need to. So finally, the assignment. The assignments happen at the end of each activity, and this is a discussion. So this is going to be talking about what the expectations are for the discussion boards. I do mark them. And there are 2 discussion boards here. There is a Dropbox for the discussion if you go to Assessment and Dropbox. You can see that there is a discussion Dropbox here, but that's not for you to put your stuff. That's for me to give you feedback on your discussion and a mark on your discussion. So that is the what's up for today and tomorrow. I've pushed the due date for the discussion because of the snow day to tomorrow. So you have today and tomorrow to read the content and think about your favorite outfit. So I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.